Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to have a robotic presentation by Milagro, Human Tech Global Leader in Consumer Robotics. And Milagro aims to empower humans with the bestest of the technology. So, ladies and gentlemen, request all of you to kindly take your seats and get ready for this amazing, innovative robotic presentation by Milagro.
Hi. Good evening, everyone. Hi. So, Milagro is India's #1 consumer robotics firm. Yesterday we hosted a robotics fashion show on this very ramp. All our models walked the ramp yesterday. Today we'll show you something different. We'll concentrate more upon what we do and how we help genuine labor. A couple of sessions back we spoke about dignity of labor. This is exactly what we want to do. Our vision, our aim is for humans, serving humans for domestic tasks, for menial tasks need to be completely erased. The dignity of labor needs to come back. This is what we're doing. I'll start with our floor cleaning robots. We've got 4 floor cleaning robots running around the stage. Now, how we help you is these floor cleaning robots, they brush your floors, they vacuum your floors, they mop your floors, they disinfect your floors. We're India's largest selling floor robots. They can cover an area of about 2,000 square feet in one go. They run for about 2 hours. I'll explain a bit of the cleaning to all of you. They've all got charging or docking stations. They leave on their own. They do the cleaning. They don't bang into your furniture. They don't fall off your stairs. The moment they're hungry, like we feel hungry, and the battery is less than 15%, they return to the docking station on their own. They start charging. They eat their food, and next morning they leave on their own again. So completely autonomous. You don't need to be at home for these to run. We can cover an area of about 2,000 square feet. Yeah, those are floor cleaning robots. Our models are the Red Hawk. You can see from the red color, the Black Cat, the Agobot. I would like to speak a bit more about the Agobot. The Agobot is India's first full wet cleaning robot. We've got an integrated water tank where we finally introduced Pocha in a robot. It flushes and then there's a mop that is there's a tank that's sending water to the mop. So it's performing your Pocha as well along with doing your Jharu. Those are the floor cleaning robots. Then this is our lawn mowing robot. In one complete charge, you can cover about 8,600 square feet of lawn area. In a day, it can do about 0.7 acres of lawn. You get a uniform height of grass cutting. You can choose your cutting options from about 2.5 centimeters to 6 centimeters. Very environment friendly. You can climb up slopes. Doesn't bang into your stones or any obstacles of that sort. Very safe, comes with an anti-theft feature. Your pets or even if someone else touches it or lifts it, it goes off immediately. Very safe in that regard. One more first, India's #1 and the first pool cleaning robot. We've taken a completely new look to traditional pool cleaning. We have so many different devices, so many people cleaning your pools, from a suction sweeper to manual labor. We've in one robot integrated filtration, scrubbing of your floors, scrubbing of your walls. It can do about 18,000 liters in 1 hour of filtration. It saves you 93% electricity, 33% chemicals, completely autonomous, fully waterproof, no chemical leakage. It can run when your guests are also swimming in the pool. Then we come to India's first window cleaning robot. It's extremely good for large windows. It can do about 20 feet of height in one go. It measures the width and the height of your glass and then cleans in a zigzag pattern. Where you attach the robot, once it's done its cleaning, you'll come back there and say, guys, I'm done. Then you can take it out. We're returning again, stress upon the fact that we're returning to dignity of labor, humans serving humans for domestic tasks, needs to go completely. I'd like to show you another really special robot. We've got India's first body massaging robot. It doesn't fall off your body. It can climb about a 35-degree angle. It's scientifically been designed. Open the knots on your back. So it doesn't fall off your body. It can climb a 35-degree angle. It's the most conducive for opening knots in your back, increasing the blood circulation to an area. You can climb a 35-degree angle. It's got multiple modes. That's one of the modes. We also have a finger scratching mode, where just like your fingernails scratch your back, it also moves and scratches your back for you as well. Thank you. And our most advanced robot today I'd like to show you. We're introducing robotic pets to you. This is a robotic pet, it's called Cleo. It knows where I'm touching it, where I'm holding it. You can feel the temperature of my skin. We also have digital food, there's digital medicine. Your tiny dog can fall sick. Lola here is a female actually. But we've also got males. A male and a female interact differently. We're trying to build an ecosystem of robotic pets where the emotional loss of a pet dying is not felt. The kids don't feel that this will never die. It also passes through various stages of life. When it's born, it's fall, it doesn't want to walk. When it grows up, it wants to eat more. We've got a full ecosystem of robotic pets. So thank you all. All our robots are completely environment friendly. There's no emissions, no chemicals, no fuels. The operating cost per hour is extremely low. I'd like to show you all a small video. And thank you.
Carpets with germs are now history. Milagro, global leader in consumer robots, introducing world's leading lawn mowing robot. Unkempt and untidy lawns are now history. Milagro, global leader in consumer robots, introducing world's leading swimming pool cleaning robots. Dirty and unhygienic pools are now history. Milagro, global leader in consumer robots. Introducing WinBot, world's #1 window robot. Dirty windows are now history. Milagro, global leader in consumer robots.
Bring home a robot, bring home peace. Milagro Human Tech aims to empower humans across the globe with the latest technology, making everyday chores effortless. Introducing Red Hawk, a unique robotic vacuum cleaner. The answer to every urban consumer's cleaning needs. Features include auto charging. The Red Hawk will automatically return and connect to the charger by itself once the battery is less than 15%. Auto scheduling cleans at times specified per day or week. UV disinfection. The UV bulb at the bottom of Red Hawk destroys bacteria and disinfects all surfaces. Auto obstacle detection. On encountering an obstacle, it backs up, rotates and finds a clear path. Works on all types of floors and carpets. Automatically adjusts to wood, tile, linoleum, carpets and rugs.
Are we playing it? Okay, thank you all. We're available at stall LO9. please feel free, come and touch and play with these robots. Welcome to the robotics revolution, welcome to the future. Thank you.